Thank you for choosing Amico lights. Today, we'll show you how to properly install your solar eclipse on a grid mount. Here are the tools required for your installation. As a safety precaution, please ensure the electrical breaker is shut off prior to any maintenance or installation work. This must be done by a qualified professional and in accordance with local jurisdictions. If applicable, start by using a Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove the 6 screws from the ingress barrier. Once the screws are removed, gently open the ingress barrier from the enclosure to reveal the internal assembly. Next, carefully remove the 2 exam diffusers from the Eclipse insert. Locate and remove the 2 screws securing the Eclipse insert. This will facilitate the next steps in the installation process. Swing open the Eclipse insert and attach the desired conduit to one of the inlet holes labeled 1, 2, or 3 as illustrated in the manual. Refer to the wiring diagram provided and connect the wires from the drivers accordingly. This step ensures proper electrical connection within the fixture. Once the wiring is complete, carefully reassemble the insert, diffusers, and the ingress barrier. Ensure all components are secured back into place. Finally, raise and position the fixture into your grid system. Secure the fixture to the building support structure by attaching one end of the suspension wire to the 4 eye bolts and wrap the other end to the superstructure. This must be completed in accordance with local jurisdictions and codes. You may turn the electrical breaker back on and test it to make sure all functions are performing properly. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your solar eclipse on a grid mount. For more information and support, visit our website at amico.com.